receiving letters from your veterinarian about the threat of canine influenza virus. What is it? Is it a real threat? Dr. Wendy King is with Spears Creek Veterinary Clinic. Canine influenza virus is the flu.
It is the flu, just like in people. It's a similar virus as in people, and they have different strains, and this is a new strain that is out there, and it's kind of brewing a little bit everywhere.
But when viewers are telling me and coworkers upstairs, they're getting letters from their veterinarians just alerting them to it, naturally people get nervous. Is it as bad as what we may think it is, or is it not quite as serious?
Well, only 80% of dogs that are exposed to it actually come down with disease. And of that, animals that die from the disease, it's like less than 1%. But it is significant. They do get sick. They get a fever, they get runny nose, swollen lymph nodes, a little bit of a cough. The fever is the biggest thing because it can be pretty high.
So what can we do to prevent our dog from getting a flu? Because we tell humans, build up your immune system, wash your hands, don't be around people who are sick. But what do we do with our dogs?
It's the same thing. If your pet is already sick, obviously don't take it around other dogs so you're not infecting all the other dogs. But washing your hands, it is contagious on your clothing and everything for 2 days, potentially. So washing your hands and not taking your pets to boarding if you don't have to. But if you do have to board them, make sure they're current on their vaccinations.
But we're not really seeing a lot of confirmed cases in South Carolina.
Not confirmed, not yet.
Okay. Not yet.
Not yet. It's coming. I'm sure it's gonna happen at some point. There is a vaccine for canine influenza, and it's a little bit tricky because it's a different strain, and they don't know if that is going to cross protect for the animals. So it's, do you vaccinate for it? And I'm still riding the fence on that one, honestly.
Okay, good information, Dr. King. If you have a question for the doctor, you can go to Twitter right now. You have to send it right now at Dawndy WISTV on Twitter. She'll answer a little later in this show. Dr. King, thank you.